This is an apple, and this is a teddy bear. But none of these items is required today. If you want to make $900 or more every day, I am going to show you 5 different apps that you can start using right now. And all of these applications are focused on one thing, and one thing only, bringing you passive income without having to work or sell anything. Even if you're asleep, you can earn money on a regular basis. Isn't it very cool? But here's the catch. In order to succeed, you must adhere to my particular instructions and simple steps. I strongly advise you to watch every single second of this video without skipping a beat or even rewatch it to learn all of the specific details. Remember that the more apps you utilize, the more money you will make. You might make $900 or more each day by using all of these 5 apps that I'll show you in today's video. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. Now the name of this website is DollarClicks, and you may go to DollarClicks.com to earn rewards and cold hard cash by simply filling out some simple surveys. You can now get paid via PayPal, Visa card, bank transfer, wire transfer, or gift card. For example, Tango, Amazon, and so on. After successfully completing your chores and surveys, as well as a variety of additional payment choices such as Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, Paytm, RTM, and Gcash. Once again, I'd like for you to leave a comment below and tell me what your preferred payment method is in your country. Also, one of the reasons I like DollarClicks so much is that they provide you with a variety of partners on one website. Offer Wall, One Ads, Personally, AdGate Rewards, Peanut Labs, AdWall, Offer Taro, and others are all well-known organizations that offer various basic jobs and surveys for which you might be compensated. Once again, this is the most popular paid service community, and you can join on it on your phone by visiting DollarClicks.com and installing the app. So as you can see, they have over 4,800 active members on a daily basis. They sign up for the app and begin earning money passively. Over $1.2 million has already been paid out to all subscribers, and over 500,000 various gift cards have already been mailed out. Once again, there are over 25 different partners and offer walls from which you may select to work and start earning money with this app. So quickly, I'll show you all of the withdrawals and proofs of payment. As you can see, you can do bank wire, Bitcoin, Tango card, Visa card, Amazon gift card, PayPal money, and so on. And if we scroll down below, you can see all the usernames and payment options available, as well as the number of profits. For example, $4, $27, $55, and even $100 are all available. And if I scroll down to the bottom, I can see over 3,000 different pages of real payment proof. And right here, you can see one of the members from Brazil earning 10 points. We also have members from the United States, as you can see here. And right there, let us see if there are any other countries. So let me quickly teach you how to create a free account. It is actually quite straightforward. After you get to DollarClicks.com, click on register, and once again, once you complete the registration, you'll receive 10 extra points right away. So simply write your first name, last name, username, password, email address, and click on the I am not a robot button. Agree to the terms and privacy policy, and then click on the sign up button. Next, we'll look at app number 2, Big Ticket Commission. In fact, this is the world's first automated high-ticket commission system. A completely new web-based program creates instant high-ticket commission and red-hot buyer traffic in under 60 seconds, and the world's first automated high-ticket commission system. Now, in the past, I've spoken about several programs for earning commission online, but Big Ticket Commission focuses on high ticket. Right, Big Ticket Commission, which means that every single pop of commission can earn you up to $1,000. The nicest part about this software is that it does everything for you, right down to the last detail. They'll send you free traffic and clicks to your affiliate links right away, and you can set up this system in just 15 minutes using 3 simple steps with a step-by-step explanation included in the app. So first and foremost, you must include your affiliate links. Step 2, within the app, you can enable the free built-in traffic. Step 3, allow yourself to sit back, relax, and generate sales. Many people are making good money online utilizing this precise method, even if they are complete beginners. Today's price is $995, while yesterday's price was $1,700. I have been utilizing the big ticket commission myself for quite some time. I've been using it on an old account of mine. Moving on to app number 3, Honeygain. You can now go to honeygain.com to learn more about this software, which allows you to make passive income with ease. And the principle is straightforward. With Honeygain, you can earn money by simply sharing your internet connection. This is now available for download on your computer as well as your mobile phone, and it is completely free. As you can see, there are many simple ways to create passive income, and with Honeygain, you can begin earning money in as little as a few minutes. Simply download the app and register for a free account, then sit back and watch your money grow. The first step is to configure the system. Now you must install the app, which is completely free, on any of your devices in order to connect them to the internet. You may do this on your phone, your iPad, your computer, or your laptop. In fact, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me what kind of gadgets you're using. Step 2 is to run Honeygain after you've connected your device to the internet. They will essentially assist you in securely sharing your internet with others. And don't worry, they will not have access to your private or personal info. Once you start running Honeygain, they will start sharing your internet speed and quarter with other individuals all over the world. Finally, by doing so, you can get compensated and generate passive money without doing any more effort, since all you have to do is switch on any part of your devices, start sharing your internet connection, and presto, you're getting paid. So in a nutshell, they offer a feature on their website that allows you to estimate your basic earnings. So, depending on how many devices you have, how much traffic you share, and how fast you share the internet, Honeygain recommends sharing 3 devices, and right here, you can change the amount of daily traffic you're willing to share. For example, 2 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, 8 gigabytes, 11 gigabytes, and so on. You can see that you can simply drag and drop any of these points right here. With also the daily content, you can now simply move your cursor over any one of these cursors and it will display your predicted monthly earnings. Now, the earnings on this website aren't particularly high, but the good news is that this is completely passive income that requires no investment. You may download Honeygain for free on their private website by clicking on any of these blue buttons right here. Moving on to app number 4, One Page Profits. One Page Profits is the world's fastest and easiest breakthrough for automated $300 commission from free traffic, and it basically helps you construct, plug, and play money pages that do all the selling for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once again, you may use One Page Profits on Warriors Plus to generate daily commissions, and this strategy will help you drive autopilot commission in 2 simple steps. Step 1, as you can see, you can just paste in your affiliate ID and then give them any promotional link, referral code, or affiliate link that you want. For example, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or any other offers. After you've copied and pasted your affiliate links into the system, you can start using the free traffic technique to make money on one page. Once again, everything can be done in 2 simple procedures, with no need for a third. Now you may start earning daily passive income in the form of commissions by simply copying and pasting. Now we will go on to the very last app, SlideJoy, which you can find at getslidejoy.com. Basically, you may download this program for free on your mobile phone or any other device, such as a tablet. So once you install the app on your phone, it will begin to display various adverts and advertisements right on your phone's home screen or lock screen, as you can see below. For example, an advertisement for a shoe or an advertisement for some clothing. Now, if you wish to ignore the advertisement and resume normal phone use, you can just slide right to return to your home screen. You can really get passive income without doing anything by simply installing this free software on your phone and enabling them to broadcast advertisements on your phone, even while you're sleeping or talking on your phone as usual. You will still be compensated, and the reason that companies like SlideJoy are prepared to give you money to show commercials is that they are expecting that someday, if you're interested in any of these ads, you would purchase something that through their advertisement and they will profit. So they are willing to put money into your account and provide you a passive income in exchange for allowing all of these different advertising to appear on your phone. They are cooperating with some of the biggest companies once again, and they're undoubtedly legit. So once you've earned your money, you can really withdraw it immediately into your PayPal account, as you can see. You can get this from the Google Play Store once more. If you have an Android phone, this is completely free, and the name is SlideJoy Lock Screen Cash Reward, and the logo looks like this, so you've found the appropriate software. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.